Hi everyone, it's Jennifer, and today I got some yarn from Crystalskye's Handdyed, and I thought I'd show you. So first I'm going to show you what came in the extras. So the first extra is an apple cider mix, which is like really good. That's like really awesome. Look at that, it's low in calories. It's got vitamin C, you just add water to it. Yum. And then we got, pull them out. They're like Tootsie Rolls, but they're fruit flavored. So I got some of those. So that's awesome. And we got this package, and it's from Crafty Performers on Etsy. There you go. So let's see what's in the bag. What's in the bag? What's in the bag? And oh, there we go. Let me hold up the bag. Here we go. Here's what's in the bag. That is a yarn bobbin. So there it is. And if you're interested in getting a yarn bobbin, you can get them from Crafty Performers. And that's what it looks like. It's pretty cool. Check that out. That's nice. I like that. So those were our extras. I like that. And on to the big deal. And this is yarn done by Crystalskye's Handdyed. This is for the month of September. Get it out. And it is called Aqua, and they're Bengal worsted. And all of them added together is 220 yards. And as you can see, they're mini skeins. So let's look at each one. There it is. That's beautiful. And we have this one. We have, oh, how pretty is that? That makes me think of Laura. Mammy's Crochet and Farming. And then there's a teal, aqua colored one. Oh, look at the gold one. Oh, how pretty. These are gorgeous. So all together as a group. Don't they look fantastic? Oh, they do. They look great together. Absolutely. Oh, even Pusheen agrees. See? I really like these. These are fantastic. I love that. I love this. Look at this. It's like one of my favorites. I love that with aqua in it. I love that. And then I like, oh, I like this one. And where's the other one? Oh. Yeah, I really I like the ones that are variegated. I like that one. I like this one. These are beautiful. I think I like them all. I really do. So this is her monthly mini skeins. And this is the month of September. I can't wait to see what October brings. These are gorgeous. So these are from Crystalskye's Handdyed, and she is on Etsy. So give her a check her out. Go like her Etsy shop. She is really amazing. Absolutely amazing. So go check her out. I hope you enjoyed that. In the meantime, please stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.